Hey, it's Jason with Intricate Coatings. I am in beautiful Shaver Lake area. If you're from the Fresno area, you should know where that is. A little break from the heat. So what I have here is a floor that's already been coated in the past. However, it's slippery, it's peeling, it's bubbling. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna tear this up, add ours on top of it, and have the customer back in business. Hey, it's Jason with Intricate Coatings. Just finished up this garage project. What we have is Santana 1/4 inch flakes.